morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today, we will learn about letter J. Letter J is the next letter after letter I, and it sounds as J, jug. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? In this picture, there is a girl. Her name is Javeria. Her mother made a jelly for her. She also likes jam. Javeria, jelly, jam are friends of J. Do you know some more friends of J? Good job. Joker, jar, jeep, jacket are some more friends of J. Children, in this lesson, we learned about jelly. Do you like to eat jelly? Can you tell me, how does the jelly taste? Very good. Jelly is sweet. How many glasses are on the table? Can you count them? Right. There are 4 glasses on the table. Let's learn to write letter J. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.